their water was rich. That same place today, there's nothing there. The sea urchins are just scraping the rock.
It's unfathomable how many are actually out there. They're just endless, bare white rock.
It's no question that what's happened has been driven by climate change. And look what's happened. Huge ecosystem changes.
We can have a self-sustaining control mechanism for this sea urchin.
But if we keep allowing these urchins to do what they're doing, there's going to be nothing left.
Every bite of sea urchins that you consume is actually one step forward to restore the kelp forest.
This is a great example of this very solvable problem where we can collect the urchin and all these benefits will come from simply removing the urchin from where they are.
Mate, I want to see our water fixed up. It's real urgent. And if we can do that, that's starting to show that we're starting to have a say in management again and looking after country.
There is hope, but the time to act is now.